What is going on, my friends, and welcome back to another video here on the channel. Well, Jasmy has finally made the move that I told you about last week, and we need to look at it now because, man, it just opened up the door for what could be something absolutely beautiful. So I want to share that with you all today. So let's not waste any more time at all, and let's get straight into it. And guys, don't forget, if you do want to trade a little Jasmy, Bitcoin, Sui, Solana, and many more, and some of them on all the way up to 500x leverage, you can check out that BTCC link down below. Guys, if you do sign up specifically with my link down below, they're going to give you a 10% bonus on all first-time deposits between $500 and $100,000. This means that if you deposit, say, $3,000, for example, they're going to give you $300 on the spot to start trading. You turn that $300 into $600. All those gains you just made are completely yours, no strings attached. You can withdraw it, trade it, reinvest it, do whatever you want with it. It's all yours. This is an opportunity to make literally free gains during the bull market, so go take advantage of that because I don't know how much longer they're going to let me have that deal, to be honest. This is a great trading platform. I really think you'll like it, so go check it out. Let me know what you think. Now, looking at Jasmy, okay, in the last video, I told you all that you needed to be watching what was happening very, very closely at that red box. Matter of fact, I want you to listen to what I told you, because I told you, if this red box gets broken, man, things could get crazy. Let's give it a quick little listen. But I'm personally not going to do any real trades until we see this red box broken here, because that's when the door opens, guys. That's when we can start pushing up to 4 cents, 5 cents to the upside. So what we were talking about in that video is I told you, hey, listen, although everything was great, you know, back here, and I made that video right around this little time period here. And I told you, look, although this is great, cool, and fun, and we're getting a nice little pump, that's whatever, nothing really starts unlocking until we see Jasmy break this red zone right here, this red box up here. And so because of that, what we can see is that today, it has happened, my friends. Today we have finally seen Jasmy's price break through this red box, and I want to tell you why this is so important, what it means for Jasmy's future, and what we can be looking and expecting for next. And so with that said, let's get into it. And guys, I will let you know, if you are someone who is simply just trying to get better at this whole crypto thing, from a technical perspective, fundamental perspective, maybe you're an advanced trader and you want to get better, maybe you're a beginner and you want to get better, all that I ask from you is you stick around until the end of the video. At the end of the video, I'm going to walk you through what is going on over in the Discord right now, because people are learning, people are growing, and people are absolutely printing gains. So if you want to be someone who is getting better at this crypto stuff and turning that knowledge into money, into gains, stay until the end of the video. I'll tell you exactly how to get access to the Discord. Now, first and foremost, why is this red box so important? Well, this red box is called the macro Fibonacci zone, and the Fibonacci zone, quite simply, is identified as a zone that is very, very important. I'm trying to keep this as simple as possible. You just need to know it is very important. It's either going to act like a wall or it's going to act like a door. If it's going to act like a wall, what it's going to look like is just like this, okay, just like this, in which your price walks up to it, you run into that wall, you bounce back off of it, and you go back where you came from, right? And you can see that that is what happened here with Jasmy. Its price hit that wall, came all the way back down 25%. But sometimes this acts like a door. Sometimes what will happen is that the bullish momentum, the bulls are so strong, that bull just runs its horn straight through that wall and turns this big old point of resistance into a door to the upside. Now, oftentimes when you can clear this zone, when you can break this red box, and for example, this is currently between 3.5 cents and 2.9 cents for Jasmy, it opens up the door for what's called a Fibonacci extension. Fibonacci extensions are levels that you can expect the price to go to once you break the Fibonacci zone. And in this example, you can expect that Jasmy's price is now opened up the door to 5.8 cents and possibly as high as 8.4 cents, which is still a possible growth from here of anywhere from 38 to 95%. All of this just because it cleared this red box. Now, does this mean that Jasmy's immediately going to go there? No, of course not, right? Now that it's seen this big old move to the upside, at any given point, it might pull back, it might cool down, it might slow down. Those are all very possible. But at the end of the day, when you clear a zone like this, especially in this nature, in which, you know, you have this little moment where you come back and you back test and you hold support and stuff, it's usually a fairly good sign that Jasmy's price is likely going to try to push up towards these levels. And so sure, the short term might get a little bit weird. It might pull back, it might crash, it might go sideways. It doesn't really matter. The likelihood is here that Jasmy's now opened up this door towards these upper 5 cent to 8 cent levels, and I am expecting Jasmy to push up towards those upper 5 to 8 cent levels over the next couple months. And so because of that, what we're seeing from Jasmy right now is absolutely phenomenal. It's such a bullish moment whenever you see a crypto break a macro Fibonacci zone, and I cannot wait to see if Jasmy can really start executing on this and pushing higher and higher and higher. You know, we've seen this before. The last time we saw something like this happen actually was back here. Let me show you. Once we had that high, we had that low. And the gold box is the same thing as what I just showed you, the red box. And what you can see here is that Jasmy was getting rejected off of it, got rejected off of it there, got rejected off of it there, came back, built up that momentum, and look what happened, my friends. Look at this. Look how crazy this is. We broke above that yellow box, came back down to the Fibonacci zone, used it as support, and then used that support establishment to send it up where? Directly into your Fibonacci extension levels. So the last move that Jasmy made, the last big pump that it had, was the exact same setup as the one that we're seeing right here. And as I mentioned before, it doesn't mean that we're going to do it just like this and go straight up, but over time I do expect we will see Jasmy try to work itself up towards these 7, 8, 5 cent levels or so, and that is so exciting. And so of course, as all of this does play out, I will continue to update you. If it continues, I'll update you. If it pulls back, I'll update you. So just stay tuned and stay on the lookout for that update when it does come, because man, things are heating up and this is absolutely fantastic news. Now, before we go, as I said, but as I reminded you earlier, if you are someone who is simply just trying to get better at this whole crypto thing and you want to start really winning during the bull market, I highly encourage you to go to the links in the description down below and go check out the Patreon. It's for the same price as a Netflix subscription or less, $17 a month or $5 a month. And what you're going to get access to is the Discord server. When you join the Discord server, you're going to get daily insights with Tyler, whether I'm talking about some meme coins that I'm looking at or buying, my thoughts and insights about news and events, some macros that I'm buying, such as Sui, Solana, Pepe, and many more, some changes to my portfolio, things like that. You're going to get access to that. You're going to get daily technical analysis. You're going to get daily fundamental analysis. You're going to get access to the 2 professional trade teams that I've hired to give you their buy and sell signals every day during the work week. So you're going to get professional trading signals from both of these teams right here. Absolutely fantastic. We have premium classes. I did recently release one on the Fibonacci's, which we used today. We also had 5 keys to bull market investing released last week. I'm hiring some coaches to come in and do some weekly workshops and stuff. We had one yesterday or 2 days ago about XRP, a beginner's guide to XRP with Crypto Atlas. There's 2 beginners courses that you'll immediately get access to, one on technical analysis and one on leverage trading. They're about 30 minutes long. They come with 17 to 20 page PDFs and cheat sheets to help you out, and I have 3 more releasing. I have one on meme coin investing, altcoin investing, and fundamental analysis as well. And then finally, there's Tyler's Tips, which is a place where I upload these little 2 to 3 minute long videos just going over random things that I think will be helpful. Once you do get access to all that, you'll also get access to the community. And of course, as I mentioned before, this community is going insane, printing gain after gain after gain after gain, and it's because they are learning and taking the things that they're learning and applying it to their strategies and using it to make gains. So if you are someone who again wants to get better at crypto, all I ask is that you go check out that Patreon down below, because it is available there for you. And don't forget, if you do want to start trading today, you can use that BTCC link down below to get that 10% bonus. But as I mentioned before, I will continue to update you as things do develop with Jasmy, so make sure that you do stay tuned for that. I upload 4, 5, 6, 7 videos every single day, so if you do enjoy them, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and I can't wait to see you all next time. Peace out, everybody.